Well, I better get back to the cannery. What do I owe you, Deke?
Sebastian, hold a minute.
Huh?
I don't want to be an alarmist
Well,
about
no one
this.
ever said you were, Mitch.
I think we're in real trouble.
Huh?
I don't know how this started or why, but I know it's here, and we'd be crazy to ignore it.
To ignore what? The bird war?
Yes, the bird war, the bird attack. Call it what you like. They're massing out there someplace, and they'll be back. You can count on it.
Ridiculous.
Come here. Unless we do something right now, unless we get Bodega Bay on the move,
Look, Mitch. Even if this is true, even if all
Well, don't
those
you
birds-
believe it's true?
No, Mitch, frankly, I don't. Well, there's no reason.
Well, it's happening. Isn't that a reason?
I like Bodega Bay as well as the next
Fine, then
man,
help
but
me.
I can't...
Look, you're an important man in this town. If you help, they all will.
Help how? What do you want to do?
Mrs. Bundy said something about Santa Cruz, about seagulls getting lost in a fog and then flying in towards the lights.
We don't have any fog this time of year.
Make our own fog.
How do you figure to do that?
We can use smoke pots the way the Army uses them.
Look!
They're attacking again. Well, Melanie, you stay in here. Come on, Al.